Got some nacho waffle fries. You're going to start by cooking up some ground beef. You're going to add taco seasoning, water, and let that boil until you have a nice sauce. Taco seasoning sauce. You're going to chop up a head of romaine or buy the bagged pre-cut stuff. No judgment. Cook up some waffle fries in the oven or air fryer. Add your ground beef, queso, shredded romaine lettuce, pico de gallo or salsa, some guacamole, sour cream, and serve with some tortilla chips too. And dive in. Perfect family meal. Everybody will love it. Big hit.